Okay, so today the puppies are 6 weeks old, and we just wanted to take videotape of them so everyone can see. I know everyone's been asking for footage of the puppies, so we just wanted to videotape today. Okay, this one is Claire. I call her Claire Bear because she's so cute. Mwah! Pretty mamas. And Claire Pooh has one blue and one brown eye. Wilby, and if you could see her, she's a pretty baby. Mwah! She's a pretty baby. And the next one we have is, who are you? Arthur. Oh, this one's Arthur. His dazzling blue eyes, and he is, we call him Wilbur Jr. because Wilbur, look at the camera, because he looks exactly like Wilbur. See the same patch on the same eye. Little Arthur. And this little baby is Paisley. Their mouths are wet because they just finished eating. This one's little Paisley. And let's see over. What is Arthur? We already did him. As you can see, they're crying. They don't like to be crated. But we have to keep them crated for right now so I can keep them all contained. This one is Gwendolyn, my pretty little Gwen. Mwah! This one's Gwendolyn, it's a pretty little baby. Let's see. This one's Henry. This one is Henry. He's the one with the little white on his back. And he still has a cute little pink nose with little polka dots. And Henry also has one blue and one brown eye. I don't know if you could see. Cute little baby. And this one is Charlotte. Charlotte has the spots on her back. She's an all-white head. And she as well has one blue and one brown eye. If you can see that. Pretty little baby. And I'm missing June. Where's Grandma's little June? Here you are, June. This one's June. This is the female we will be keeping. She is exactly like my Daisy May. She's got little brown eyes. She's my baby. Ow, and they are munching on my toes. Ouch! They are munching on my toes. Henry, is that you? Are you eating Grandma's toes? And that was all of our puppies. Oh no, I didn't show Winston. Winston? Were you hiding, baby? This one's Winston. He looks exactly like Wilbur as well, except his patch is on the opposite side of his eye. His face, ouch. But this one's Winston.
Grab Claire.
So I guess we should feed them now.
Grab Claire.
Claire! Claire Bear, say hi to the camera. What you got on you, baby? Claire Bear, say hi. She's very cute. They are so big and they're only 6 weeks old. Right? Y'all are only 6 weeks old and look at how big y'all are. Look at how big y'all are. Look at how big y'all are. Paisley, what's wrong, Paisley? Ouch! You are too Not nice. Mwah, mwah, mwah. You want kisses? You want kisses? They're biting the string. What's wrong, my Junie Boom? What's wrong? What's wrong, my little Paisley? Hi, mamas. Hi, Charlie. Claire climbed it. They're so cute.